I'm a very driven entrepreneur, always raring to go with many ideas that I want to implement, constantly learning and experimenting. But even I have days when I just can't seem to find the energy to get stuff done. I'm sure you have also experienced such days. Whether it is lack of inspiration, a feeling of burnout, or being paralyzed by too many things to do or too many options to choose from. Sometimes it's hard to be as productive as we normally are. If this happens to you once in a while, then there's nothing to really worry about. Maybe you just need a break or a change of scene and then you will bounce back. But when it happens for days, weeks, and months at a stretch, and business starts dwindling, then it can be really alarming. Hi, I'm Sonali Sinha, an executive coach and leadership facilitator, and I'm back with my series on conversations with leaders. Sometimes a hard knock, like losing an important client or not winning an important deal, or the business environment putting us in a disadvantageous position, can really impact our confidence and self-esteem. And sometimes we may not even be aware of it. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of reaching out and connecting with new people, all these can really paralyze us and impact our business negatively. Being an entrepreneur can be a very lonely journey because we don't feel like discussing these challenges with the people around us, whether it is our team or even our own families. We don't want to spook our team members and we don't want our families to worry about us. But by not talking about it to anybody, we sometimes make it a bigger problem because we do not address the challenge that we are facing. Inertia can show up in many ways. Sometimes you might need to take an important action, but you don't end up taking it. Or you may want to launch a new product or a new business vertical, but you don't end up doing it. Or you may need to take an important decision or make a choice and you don't make it. Sometimes you may make a plan but never end up implementing it. Or you may need to reach out to an important customer but you keep putting it off. These are all signs of entrepreneurial inertia. So what can you do when you find yourself stuck in an entrepreneurial inertia? I'm going to share 5 simple actions that you can take to bounce back from such inertia or lack of motivation. First, step back and reflect. When things are not going the way you would want them to, and you feel that you don't have the motivation to forge ahead, then it is very important to refocus your attention on your long-term goals. Ask yourself these 3 questions. Why you do what you do? What do you hope to achieve? And what will achieving it do for you? If you take time to reflect on these 3 questions, it will help you align your thoughts and beliefs with your goals, and you will find the inner drive to start working in that direction. Seeing your ambition in black and white can really help you focus your energies on what's important for you. Second, take action to create momentum. Often the best way to kickstart yourself is to get into action mode. It almost doesn't matter what action you take as long as you take action. It could be a small administrative task, it could be some research that you've been putting off, it could be planning for a new product or an event. Once you start moving, your energy will begin to flow and you will find yourself more energized and ready to take on something more intensive. But it's important to remember to not get into activities which are totally unrelated and which do not add any value to you. For instance, social media. Don't just start looking at social media because time can just fly by and at the end of it you're not going to feel energized or motivated to do your work. Third, prioritize your tasks. If you are feeling really overwhelmed with the amount of work that you need to do, it's time to step back and look at all the activities that you believe you need to be doing, and then focus on the ones that are really important and that move you towards your long-term goals, and look at the urgent activities which are really important, and set aside activities that are not really going to add value to your business. In this manner, you will be able to focus your energy on what's important for your business and not feel overwhelmed or overburdened with various activities that just take up your time. Try to keep your list of activities on a daily basis to a maximum of 2 or 3 and work towards completing those. Once you start seeing that you're able to complete 2-3 important activities on a daily basis, you will feel really good about yourself, and it will provide you the motivation to push yourself further. You can even look at rewarding yourself for completing those 2-3 important tasks every day. Fourth, talk to a coach or a mentor. When you know that you have tasks that need to get done, but you're not in the right frame of mind to actually do them, it is very natural to feel frustrated and angry with yourself. And this is unlikely to actually improve the situation. So if you're not a kind of person who can step back and reflect on your long-term goals, you will be better off if you speak to a coach or a mentor. A coach can help you reflect on what's important for you and where you're going by asking you very meaningful and deep questions. The coach can also help you figure out your action plan and help you hold yourself accountable for the things that you want to do. On the other hand, a mentor can share their own experience of dealing with inertia or snapping out of inertia, and maybe some of those ideas might resonate with you. So if you feel that you're not able to do it on your own, feel free to reach out to a coach or a mentor who can help you get back on track, as it is very important for your business to be able to snap out of that inertia. Fifth, step away. Sometimes all you need is to step away and find a way to rejuvenate yourself. Physical activity like walking, running, hiking can be really rejuvenating and will make you feel good about yourself. You could also look at playing a sport which makes you feel energetic. There are other activities like meditation, a digital detox, or even a short staycation can really help you snap out of a low mood and get energized to get back to the work that you really enjoy doing. Hope these ideas will help you snap out of any inertia that you might be feeling. While it's not humanly possible to feel energetic and driven all the time, but as an entrepreneur, you cannot afford to let these low productivity days stay with you for too long or come too often. By using one or more of these tips, you could get back into the groove and start pushing your business forward. Thank you for listening.